In this brief tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to resolve a Roblox connection error on your mobile device. If you're encountering a Roblox login problem and struggling to connect to the game, fret not. There are a few straightforward steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. To begin, access the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General, then select iPhone Storage, locate the Roblox app in the list of apps, tap on it, and then select Offload App. Confirm the action by tapping again. Offloading an app on iOS removes the app itself while retaining its documents and data. This process can effectively reset the app's configuration, potentially resolving any underlying connectivity issues. Next, tap on Reinstall App. Reinstalling the app provides a fresh set of files and settings, eliminating any corrupted data or misconfigurations that may be causing the connection error. Think of it as giving Roblox a clean slate on your device, enabling it to establish new connections without any previous problematic configurations hindering its performance. After completing the reinstall, return to the Settings app, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on VPN and Device Management. If you're connected to a VPN, disconnect it. Additionally, ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong, as weak or unstable internet can often lead to connection errors in mobile games like Roblox. Try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to resolve any Roblox connection error or login problem you encounter on your mobile device. That concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to ask in the comments section below. If this video was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.